What's up guys, Lewis from Men's Tech Reviews here, back with another video, and this video is just going to be a short voiceover video about my favourite features on the Google Pixel 6a with Android 14. First of all, I must say this phone feels so much more fast, so much more easy to use compared to Android 13. This just might be like an efficiency thing, but like honestly, there is a massive difference. Also, I must say, overall the UI feels so much more like an iPhone. The average person would not be able to distinguish a user experience comparing this phone to an iPhone. If you didn't know anything about phones whatsoever and you picked up this phone and you picked up an iPhone SE3 for example, you would not be able to tell the difference. Honestly, it's literally the same, except the Pixel 6a is probably better since it has a bigger screen and loads of other stuff as well. As well as this, we also do have a new camera UI. I think this makes the Pixel experience, especially the camera experience with the phone, a lot better. In my opinion, before this new update, the camera experience and the Pixel experience with the cameras was quite outdated. Now we have a much more uniformed and design which is in line with newer phones. We have new icons that look a lot more fresh to the eye. I think they're just a better experience in terms of the camera usage. In terms of customization, I'm just going to get this done quickly here. We have loads of new features, such as you're able to customize the lock screen. Now I was really hoping that with the Pixel 6a you'd be able to get the cinematic mode like you have in the iPhone. This is a feature available on Pixels, just not the Pixel 6a, because it doesn't have the Tensor G2 chip, it has the Tensor G1, so unfortunately this is impossible. But we have loads of other features in terms of customization, and the customization is a massive step that has gone in the right direction compared to the Google Pixel. So yeah, the customization is a massive step forward in terms of the customization for the Google Pixel compared to the Android 13 and Androids before. Overall, it's just so much more easier to make this phone you, instead of just, I guess Material U was good, don't get me wrong, Material U was really good, but now we have actual ways to practically customize the phone. It just makes the phone a lot better to use overall. We also have a small change here with the cameras as well. When you zoom into a photo, you can zoom before you take the photo. It is quite helpful, and it makes the phone feel more like a camera. It really doesn't matter in the long term, but yeah, that's pretty cool. There is quite a bit more battery life. Well, it seems with the Google Pixel 6a, the battery life with this phone was already very good, but with Android 14, the battery life, I'd say, is extended for another 1 or 2 hours, since there's more efficiency that Google has incorporated into Android. Overall, that's all the changes in Android 14, and in my opinion, this is an amazing and slightly incremental but really useful update that has been applied to this phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That was just a quick one for this week, and yeah, peace.